This is the compressor housing, which contains the compressor wheel. The compressor wheel is fitted inside the compressor housing. The center housing, or CRRC, connects the two sections. Finally, the shaft bearings and seals are inserted to complete the assembly. This diagram shows the assembly of a turbocharger. First, the compressor housing aligns with the bearing housing. Next, the shaft and turbine assembly is threaded into the bearing housing. Finally, the wastegate actuator is attached. A turbocharger uses exhaust gases to spin a turbine. This rotation powers a compressor, which draws in and pressurizes air. The compressed air is then fed into the engine, boosting its power.